Alright, yogis, let's meet standing. We'll inhale, circle sweeping our hands, and then slowly roll down into a tabletop position. We can take some back and forth, just loosening up the hips. Gently rock back into kneeling pose. Inhale, lunge forward, planting the hands on the mat. Just coming in to loosen up some forearms, the wrists. We like to switch one hand in front, rocking back and forth, inviting some movement, some release. Then go ahead and switch out to the other side. And we inhale back to our neutral tabletop position. Remembering to breathe, inviting some movement into our hips. Maybe you'd like to circle one side and then the other. Gently walk 2 palm steps forward and introduce some movements, rolling the spine up and down. Inhaling and exhaling. Untuck the toes and send the hips up and back, meeting me in a downward dog. Again, introduce some movement here. Maybe you rock side to side. Just do what feels good to you. Opening up and releasing through the spine. We'll go ahead and come into our neutral plank position, down into low plank, untucking the toes. Go ahead and place both hands on either side of your chest. We'll inhale up through Sphinx into Cobra. Down, 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 down. Head comes to mat. Inhale once more up through Cobra. Down, down, down. Head to mat. Go ahead and inhale once more. Up and down, head to mat. We'll take the hands back to the side, neutral tabletop position, and then send the hips down and back, child's pose. Go ahead and rock forward and back, neutral spine position to downward dog. Coming up into our tippy toes, we'll hop forward fold. Inhale up, halfway lift. Forward fold on the exhale. Inhale, we root to rise. Coming up to our mountain pose, circle sweeping the hands up and over. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, forward fold. Coming forward onto our hands, walking the feet back. High plank to low plank. Up dog to down dog. We'll take our left leg high, inhaling to exhale up and down. Up and down. Up. Listen for the change. That left leg comes onto the right side. We're up in our plank pose. Side plank here with the left hand high. Go ahead and come down, down dog, high plank, and take your vinyasa. At the top of our downward dog, we're going to take that side plank over onto the other side. We extend and breathe. Do what feels best for your body. On the inhale, we'll come back, downward dog. Go ahead and cycle through your chaturanga. Inhaling up through up dog to down dog. Pedaling out the feet, neutral spine position. We'll go ahead and come down, knees to plant, puppy pose. Come into that tabletop position, inhaling and exhaling, rocking side to side, circling the hip. Go ahead and come up to that downward dog. We remember our breath and the intention we set as we lift that right leg high. On our next exhale, we'll take it back to mat. Inhale, left leg coming high. Exhale, foot to mat. Neutral downward dog to high plank, low plank, up dog to down dog. Find your way to the front of the mat. Inhale through forward fold, up through halfway lift, down through forward fold. Inhale up, halfway lift, exhale down, forward fold. You can take our hands back behind us. Maybe we like to basket grip them behind to lift and raise, opening up the back and the chest. Go ahead and take your right hand down, keeping that left hand high for a twist. Exhale, we reverse. Right hand comes high, left hand comes down, we twist. Meet in a forward fold, and we inhale up, halfway lift. Exhale down, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise. Circle sweeping the hands up and over. Exhale, back bend. Inhale, hands to prayer. Go ahead and take those hands high. And then meet me in a forward fold, walking back, high plank to low plank. Take your chaturanga. Go ahead and walk that right foot in between the hands, low lunge, and then step up. As we take our Shiva squats here, remember to breathe, inhaling and exhaling with each movement. And we take that foot back to plant up into warrior two. Inhale, we'll look over that front hand and sweep back, reversing our warrior. Hands come back, warrior two, dropping the shoulders. We inhale, extended side angle. Exhale here, straightening the leg, and we'll come into our pyramid pose. As we move through pyramid, we'll extend that right leg high to low, moving through our chaturanga, inhaling up through up dog, down dog, and we extend that left leg high. We crunch. Breath out, we extend. Breath in, we crunch. Breath out, we extend. Next movement, go ahead and take that lunge on this left side and inhale to Shiva squat. Go ahead and take that foot back to plant, inhaling up through warrior two. We sweep the ceiling, reversing our warrior, inhaling in. Exhale, hands come down, extended side angle. We'll take both hands to frame the front foot, lunging forward, pyramid pose, and then taking that left leg back through your chaturanga, inhaling up through up dog, down to child's pose. Breathe here, come into the intention that you set, the presence, the peace, and the power. And then roll up, tabletop to downward dog. We'll walk to the front of our mat, inhaling up through halfway lift, exhaling down, forward fold. Next inhale, we root to rise, coming all the way up, standing pose. We'll cross our hands on top of the other, and then take a firm stance here, inhaling up, bowing forward. Going to walk back, high plank to low plank, taking your chaturanga. Meet me in a downward dog and extend that right leg high. We lunge, we come forward, cycling through this warrior two, down through extended side angle, up through twist, and down taking our chaturanga. We'll take that once more on the other side. Down dog, up through, three-leg dog, Inhale, we crunch to plant. Warrior 2, reversing our warrior, down through extended side angle. Foot comes down, and we'll take that one more. Now that you know the flow after this chaturanga, let's just go. Moving through it, allowing the motion to feel into each moment. Inhaling, up dog, down dog. We take that cycle once more. You know what's coming. Remembering to breathe through each movement, each motion. Up dog to down dog. We'll hold. Thanking yourself for that powerful movement that we just did. And then walk to our forward fold. Inhale up, halfway lift. Down, 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 forward fold. Inhale, root to rise, and we sit back, chair pose. You can fly our chair or come back up. And let it. We'll end our practice in child's pose. Thank yourself for being present and peaceful with beautiful energy. Namaste.